Today I'm going to show you how to create Facebook stories. To create a Facebook story is relatively simple. You're going to come right over here onto your Facebook feed. This is where you will see all of your updates. You will see it says create story on the top of the page. Now these stories that you see here, these are all of my friends' stories. So all you need to do is click on create story. You'll now be able to see all the media that is on your device. You can also add music, text, and you can make a collage. And then if you hit the settings gear icon on the top right hand side here, you can just change how the story is displayed. So if it's public or if it's hidden, and then you can also choose a group of people specifically that you would like to allow to see this. You can also share it directly to Instagram when you publish the story, and then you can see some other settings over here. Once you go back out here, you'll be able to then say publish, and then you'll see this right over here on your story.